record. Yeah. Gauri, please tell me what is the degree you are doing now?
So MBA in Banking and Financial Engineering.
Oh, good. After which degree are you doing this?
I've done undergraduation in BCom honors.
Mhm. Good. That means you are full commerce graduate.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
What are the
Yes, sir.
functions of Reserve Bank of India?
So mainly Reserve Bank of India, uh, they uh, they lend money to the commercial banks, and all the regulatory policies relating to everything, relating to tax, relating to everything in the country is
They are in charge of monetary policy only,
monetary policies. Yes,
uh,
yes, yes.
not in regard to income tax, GST, and all. They are not responsible. Come on,
Okay,
tell me.
all the monetary
Mm,
policies
mm,
that are decided by the Reserve Bank of India. They are the depository
mm,
bank. It is a
mm,
central bank of India.
mm. Two more points you omitted. One is they are the note issuing authority.
Okay, okay,
One more point is that they are the people vested with the monitoring of foreign exchange, and they only hold foreign exchange reserves.
okay.
Good. Now I will come to a lighter question for you. Please tell us about your family. You don't have to tell the names of people. Tell the position they are occupying, what are they doing, and the place to which you belong. Introduce your place also to us.
Okay, so I belong to Gurgaon. There are 5 members in my family. My father, who works in a hospital, he's the CEO of the hospital, and my mother is a homemaker. And I have a younger brother. He is studying law in Gurgaon, and my elder sister, she's giving coaching for IELTS.
Oh, great, great, great. She's giving coaching for IAS. What degree did she study?
So right now she's doing BTech. She's doing English
MTech,
honors. English
English.
honors.
Mhm. But
Yeah.
still, she is coaching also. Very good,
Yes.
very good. That's
Side
right.
by side.
Yeah. Now, what prompted you to opt for our federal bank?
So from my 11th standard itself, like when I took commerce, I had two main goals, that either I want to go in a MNC, work in a finance department of of a MNC, or I want to go for a banking sector. And because banking sector is, it's probably the safest job for women's, and it's a secure job as well. And Federal Bank itself, it is it is a top bank of India. So that's why I took forward to take this decision to go for Federal Bank.
In a real interview, you should not tell about, I wanted to go for a multinational corporation. That need
All
not be
right.
told. Similarly, you should not tell Federal Bank is the top. It is not the top. It is one among the 53 or 63 in the Asia award. That is what they have received. Of course,
Okay.
you can generalize and say Federal Bank is one of the private sector banks which is considered a good employer or a comfortable employer who encourages employees. Some vague terms you can use and tell.
Okay. Okay.
That's right. But in fact, in interviews, normally we should speak definite points and not vague terms. But here, for
Okay.
getting over this, you have to tell like that. Good, very good. You told about this. Please tell me what is balance sheet.
So balance sheet is a financial statement which tells about the total assets and total liabilities of a company
As on a
annually,
particular date. As on a particular date.
as on as on a particular date.
That is all. Why capital is shown under liabilities?
Uh, so because
It's a
mm,
simple question. This must have been told in your 12th class.
yes, uh,
It
so
is.
because
Uh,
capital is the amount that the shareholders invest.
mm,
So
then
that's why it is kind of a liability, because we have to pay back to the shareholders in returns. We have to pay back to the shareholders. That's why it is written on the liability section.
You have given 80% of the answer. 1 point you have omitted to say. Business is a separate entity.
Okay.
Shareholders are separate entity. So the
Okay.
business entity is owing money to the shareholders. That is the reason. You told
Okay.
that instead of touching your nose like this, you touched like this. Ah, that is the only point. Good. You attempted very well. I am happy. Now, please tell me, what do you understand by contingent liability?
So contingent liability are the liabilities which are to be met within 1 year.
Contingent liability is a liability which may or may not happen,
Okay, which are uncertain, which are
mm,
uncertain.
which are
Okay, the
uncertain.
uncertain liabilities.
Like liability on guarantees issued,
Okay.
liabilities on LCs issued, something like that. So it may happen or may not happen.
Okay.
That is what it is. Good. You are joining Federal Bank. Please tell me what all you know about Federal Bank that makes you have a keen interest in Federal Bank.
Okay, Federal Bank is the major commercial bank in private sector, which has 1336 banking outlets and 1355 ATMs across the country, and the net profit, the operating profit of Federal Bank is 1 to 1 crore, and the net profit of Federal Bank is 704 crore, which has increased by 53%, and the return on assets
53% year on year basis.
year on year basis. Okay, I have to
Yeah,
say this.
continue. Yeah. Otherwise, it
Okay,
has no meaning.
okay.
53% on what? Yeah. Continue.
53% on year basis,
Mm.
and the return on asset of Federal Bank is 1.21, and the return on equity of Federal Bank is 14.36.
Mm.
Fourteen point
I
three six.
I am not very.
It is
I'm not remembering.
14.36.
Correct. 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 Continue.
And the share price of the company is 131 right now.
Mm.
The Federal Bank offers a lot of products like wealth management, insurance, and
Mm.
on it also involves online banking. And one of the most important factor of Federal Bank is that it was one of the first banks in India to have all its branches computerized, and it was the first one to go into technology among all the traditional banks. It was the very first bank to go uh, to increase uh, or to show its technological aspect.
Mm. What is the total deposit of the bank as on 30th September?
So that I have to check on.
1,80,000 something. Similarly, advances is 1,69,000 something. ये सब prepare कर दीजिए. Then,
Okay.
what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are listening to music
Mm.
and watching Netflix.
Mhm. Which type of movies do you watch in Netflix, or which type of serials are you interested in Netflix?
So mainly I watch rom-com like Friends. I
Mhm.
love that series. And I like to watch
Mhm.
the Twilight series. Then Harry Potter. That is
Mhm.
a binge watch
Good.
movie.
Yeah, good. Please tell me, what do you understand by phishing? PHISHING. Have you heard about this term?
So from the name, I can just tell like maybe it's
Mhm.
illegal
Mm.
activities
Mm.
regarding to money.
Mm. Mm.
So
Perhaps,
I have to read, I have
perhaps
to
you
read
have to
about
read.
it.
No, no.
Yeah.
This point came to my mind because you were telling about Netflix series and all that. And there is a famous series in this regard known as, you are from which state? Gurgaon. You are nearer to that state only, Jharkhand. झारखंड का पास में अब बैठा हुआ है ना, पास में नहीं है. How far
No,
is
sir.
it? How far is it?
Sir, I have no idea.
Gurgaon to Jharkhand must be 1,000 kilometers, 500 kilometers. I don't know. Doesn't matter. There is a serial by name Jamatara
Okay, yes. Yes.
that speaks about the fishing activities of Jamatara, young boys, girls who are
Yes,
trained in talking in different languages and also asking for, say, your ATM card number, then PAN, CVV, and
yes.
all that. That's right. Now, this job. Can you tell me the job profile of Federal Bank officer, junior management?
So basically, it involves 30% of sales and 70% of the operational activities, in which I have to do marketing and also work under superiors and see the day-to-day activities, what is happening in Federal Bank.
Hmm. No, your answer. From where did you get this 70%, 30% and all? बोलिए.
So actually, one of my friend told me.
No, ऐसा नहीं है. But what we have to tell is what is now given in this roles and responsibilities that
Okay.
is given in the brochure, which I have already shared. Here,
Okay.
this is what you have to say. Customer acquisition, business survey, augmentation of para banking income. I would like you to go through this entire page and write 5 or 6 lines about it. For example,
Okay.
the first paragraph tells about getting customer acquisition and getting more of para banking income. Second is facing customers at the counter and solving their problems. Third point says ensuring customer delight, getting satisfaction of customer. Fourth point is an extension of the same point, providing solutions to customers, guiding them about what deposit they should take, what investment they should make. Then handling all retail operations, the branch, like NEFT, RTGS, issue of checkbook, issue of this thing, that thing. इस जो कुछ करना है, इस सब करना है. इसका बाद में this point is, again, if you stress, this will tell that you are interested in selling, working towards achieving business targets of the branch, assisting in digital transformation, keeping liaison with seniors and also colleagues, then uh, taking efforts to see that you follow the audit and quality norms, and develop a learning attitude for self and to motivate others, and above all, learn people management. कैसे लोग से काम करना है, लोग का साथ में कैसे काम करना है, लोग से कैसे काम लेना है, ये सीखना
Okay.
बहुत जरूरी है. क्योंकि managers effectiveness is decided not by what he is doing, but what he makes others perform for him.
Okay.
आपका, because um, you are effective, you may be an effective person, but if you can't get the work done by your people, then your effectiveness will come down, because one person cannot do all the work in a bank branch. I hope you understand this point.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Definitely.
Very good. Very good. Now, can you tell this briefly to me? The role of a bank officer.
So basically, I have to do. I have to do.
I have to do no. The role of a bank officer. A bank officer has to do. I mean,
Okay.
I
Role of.
very well I very well appreciate your telling I have to do. This is what normally we recommend people. Whenever we say, we should say our bank or federal bank, like that we should tell that. But here, for obvious reasons, I suggest you say the role of a bank. A bank officer should do following activities. Tell me.
Okay. The bank officer uh, should follow the bank, follow the curriculum of the bank, and accordingly appoint their subordinates on their work, and see if the client needs something or not, and if the client have some complaints or any sort of those things, clear up those things, and continuously checking up
Okay.
with the employees.
Okay, you are able to do it, but if you go through that once again, twice, you may be able to make it still more effectively. Nice. You told
Okay.
that, but it can be still improved. You will agree with me. It can be still improved.
Yes,
No
yes.
problem. Yeah, yeah. Do you think bank jobs are easy?
So definitely not. Bank jobs are not easy. In fact, they are the most stressful sector. But I think that no job is easy nowadays, especially. Everything in every kind of job, you have certain kind of stress factors. But it all depends upon your attitude, how you take things, how you tackle things, and how you tackle things under pressure.
Good.
That's all matters.
How will you manage pressure?
So if there is a if there is a situation in which a lot of pressure is happening, in which a lot of work is been jumbled up, then what I generally do is, first of all, I calm myself, and I see what solutions can be done in this situation. And if there are people with me, if my team is there with me, I will try to make them also calm, because uh, because if only I am calm, then the situation will not calm down. If all my team is calm down, if all my team is on the same line, is on the same page, then only I can do something, then only the solution will be achieved. So I'm going to make.
No, no, actually, the best, I mean, not that what you said was wrong. For these
Sure.
questions, any answer can be given. But the best answer would have been understanding the importance of job, prioritizing the job, know
Okay.
what is to be done first, what is to be done next. For example, even in this small activity, I was prioritizing the work. I did something for Lavanya first because I had
Yeah.
agreed for her work before. So likewise, prioritizing work and carrying out important ones, and also learning delegation of job, delegation of responsibilities. This will
Okay.
make you have lesser tension, less you will be able to manage. I mean, it's all theoretical. Again, whatever I'm telling is only theoretical. What is to be done at the practice much depends on one's own ability. You seem to be having very good communication skill,
Thank you,
and
sir.
you are very open and you are very dynamic, and this should make them give you the job. Now, a last question or a last part of the question. You are a representative of this pen manufacturing company.
Okay.
Please try to sell this product. How now? First, tell me what are the strategies you will adopt for selling about this product, and also give me a demonstration of you are meeting a customer about how are you going to convince him for buying your product.
Okay. So would I just start, or just I give an explanation? How will I do it?
Now, first you will tell me what are all the strategies you will adopt. Then come
Okay.
to explanation.
So the very first thing that I would do is I would try to attract the customer. I would tell him or her about the qualities or about the usage of the pen, of the product that they can do, and how beneficial it will be if they will carry this product with them at any point of time. Mm.
Okay. Now come to selling this. Come on, come on, come on.
Okay, so this pen is it it can be very useful for you if you keep this pen in your pocket. It's just a 10 rupees pen, but in situations where you have to sign, in situations where you have to quickly write something or note something, note a number, you can quickly just take out your pen and write it. And
Hmm.
is it enough?
No, it's not going in the right track. See, you have to speak the plus points of your product. This is a
Okay.
new latest type of product brought out. It can write more number of pages than the normal pens you get in the market, and it is priced very economical. It comes in different colors, something like that. Not that what I am telling is the correct way of telling it, but the ultimate aim is you must be happy about the fact that you are convincing the customer.
Okay.
We should not have a doubt that what we are telling is not correct. समझ गया? And
Yes.
you, whenever we want to sell something, we have to tell the superiority of this product, compare it with similar products, and
Okay.
tell what way it is cheaper or whatever it is. You can also tell them, I will give you 20% discount, something like that, so that you make them get attracted, so that they are able to buy the product from you. You can do it. It is not a problem. And do you have any questions in your mind?
So no, so mainly they're asking, like some of my friends have also told, they're asking that why banking sector? So the answer that I gave, like
No,
related to banking.
no, it is correct only. That is, um, bank. Number one, I am a finance postgraduate in finance. Number two, banks are a place where it is a growing concern, and more job opportunities are created, and promotion chances are also good. I
Okay.
love interacting with customers. I love serving people, and there are more opportunities for getting job satisfaction in banks. So I would like to join. This you should tell, believing in the answer. You should not
Okay.
tell just because sir has told me. No, ये तो सही नहीं आएगा. आपका मन में ये होना चाहिए, ये तो this is the job that will suit me much. Then again they can cross you by putting a cross question. What will you do if you are not selected? You should not sit bad
Okay.
and feel bad about it and say no, sir. I will
I would look for
try
other opportunities.
other opportunities, and if possible I will come back to banking if necessary. Supposing you
Okay.
get a better option than this, you will go into that. So this way you can manage that. Very nice. You answered very well. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
And
much for your time.
I suggest you have to go through the materials that I have given. Only one night is there for you to prepare. I don't know how you are going to prepare. This one, I wanted you to prepare that one page.
Okay.
Then this one, most common interview questions.
Okay.
This one I want you to go through. Then I want you to go through this one you have already studied, second quarter results.
Okay.
This is what we were explaining. That is net profit, vagera, vagera.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Next, I want you to go through the questions that have been asked, interview, and also this one will be of interesting reading for you to manage normal questions like
Okay.
this bankers adda, and then the interview questions. I think this is the thing. And first go through the 1 to 10 pages only. There are 72 pages. It is not going to
Hmm.
be possible, but there will be repetition of questions. First go
Okay.
through
Okay.
1 to 10 pages. That will do. Best wishes. Attend the
Okay.
interview with confidence and come out with the questions they are asking. And you must come with a happy, smiling face.
Okay. Definitely,
Good,
sir. I do the same.
good. Best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
And you can wear, are you going to wear, say, chudidar kurta or pant and shirt or suit?
So formals, formals.
Formals. Good. Best wishes.
So one question, is the blazer necessary? Like, can I just wear?
No, आजकल तो बहुत ठंडा लगता है ना दिल्ली में, गुड़गान में.
So actually, I don't have a blazer. So is it necessary?
ब्लेजर नहीं होने से कोई चिंता नहीं. जो है उसको, you must be happy about your own dress, your own appearance.
Okay. Okay, sir.
जैसे आपको मन में, and what your local people will like. After
Okay.
all, In an interview, we are selling our skills. We are selling,
Yeah.
not, we are not selling ourselves. We are selling our skills. So you
Hmm.
try to market it. Thank you so much. I
Thank
enjoyed
you.
talking to you. I would like
Same.
to thank that boy Ankush for introducing you to me. Thank you.
Hmm.
Best
Thank you.
wishes. Bye.
Bye, sir.
This, yeah, thank you. I will close this. I'll close this now. Thank you.